It's Sassafras
and Kimness the Gymnast.
And in today's video, we are making slime with Gorilla Glue.
Yeah,
And
I already pre-started with slime.
Shaving foam.
She's mixing
Lotion.
She's doing her own slime. I just started mine. She was taking too long
Let's
to get
to
ready.
doing it. Okay.
I'm pre-started mine.
Gorilla Glue. Then shaving cream, which I think the shaving cream is silent, so let's find out. Lotion.
Like I said, I pre-started my slime because
She just couldn't wait.
Slime.
Now some activator.
And also, like, I was pretty bored.
Okay, I'm gonna mix some.
Your slime is actually like doing it perfectly. Mine is like a big jerk of fluff.
Okay.
Mine's taking a long time to activate.
Mine is like that. And before the video, I put paint in mine.
I just started before. I'm like activating it. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Look.
I had to get it in my hands.
Okay, I need to get more glue.
Okay.
But again, so Gorilla Glue, yeah, it's gonna take a long time to squeeze out. So let's pause the video while she's figuring out her slime. So, okay, so guys,
hey,
we're back.
Kimness the Gymnast, will you put some Tide in mine? You guys think it needs Tide? Yeah, I think it does.
Your slime is sad.
Okay, not that much. Okay.
There wasn't even any in there, dude.
Just the
Okay, now I added a bit more Gorilla Glue. It's actually starting to really do well. I don't know about hers. It's a bit scary. It looks like alien glue or like unveiled slime, but mine is actually working out perfectly. And that's like Dibs the
I'm
happiness.
just doing this.
I actually think she's gonna have to wash her hand and delete all that slime.
Yeah.
Well, mine. Yeah. Mine is working out a bit well. What? Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
I think I need more Tide. I think so. Will you pour me some? Just a teensy bit. Yeah, before. Yeah, we made slime with Elmer's glue and forgot to put it away before.
Yeah. We like to pre-film like videos with Elmer's glue, and then we'll try out the real thing and kind of like equal it together after the video, because we don't want you guys to do like that long, and we don't want you guys to wait that long, and also it'd be a big rush for us.
Oh yeah, it's finally getting into a little blob.
Sure, dude.
Sure.
I'm playing it safe. I'm adding more activator. I think I'm gonna add a big thing.
Can you give me some? Okay.
She said some. She didn't say a little, so I give her some. Oh yeah, and we are best friends.
We go to the same school.
Yeah. Not gonna tell you school. Oh, scary. School. Yeah, our school's kind of fun. We did algebra. Do algebra and we're only in 4th grade. Jeez. Yeah.
Finally got into a blob. Kimness the Gymnast?
Yeah.
I think we need to keep working.
Do you think guys, do you think we should add a tiny bit of Elmer's glue to just help it out?
Nah.
Okay. Are you sure, guys? Because I'm really scared.
Yeah, I'm not adding Elmer's glue.